Welcome to day 20 of our 365 Days of Mindfulness challenge. Today, we're focusing on mindful grounding, a practice that helps us feel stable, centered, and connected to the present moment. Life can often feel overwhelming, pulling our thoughts in different directions. Grounding techniques bring us back to the here and now, helping us regain balance and inner calm. Let's guide you through today's mindfulness practice. Mindful grounding. Find a quiet space where you can focus without distractions. Ready? Let's begin. Sit or stand with your feet flat on the ground. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine your body becoming heavier and more connected to the earth beneath you. Notice the support beneath your feet. Bring awareness to your surroundings. What do you see, hear, and feel? Notice the texture of the floor, the sounds around you, or the temperature of the air. Use your senses to anchor yourself in the present moment. Take slow, deep breaths in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a moment, then exhale slowly through your mouth. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more centered and calm. Imagine yourself as a tree, with roots growing from your feet deep into the ground. Feel the sense of stability and strength that comes with this visualization, keeping you firm and balanced. Take a final deep breath and acknowledge this moment. Express gratitude for the support of the earth beneath you and the peace you've cultivated through grounding. So, why does mindful grounding matter? It helps us manage stress, regain emotional stability, and stay present in the moment. By grounding ourselves, we cultivate a sense of security and inner peace. Now, let's reflect. How did mindful grounding make you feel? Did you notice any shifts in your body or mind? Share your thoughts in the comments below. For more mindfulness practices, visit the Serenity Mindset blog. A detailed guide for today's practice is linked in the description. Thank you for joining us on day 20 of the 365 Days of Mindfulness challenge. Let's continue cultivating stability and awareness in our daily lives. See you tomorrow for day 21. Stay serene and stay grounded.